What is up, y'all? It's your favorite producer, Ron, got the recipe, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to mix vocals with LANDR's Vocal Plugin Bundle. Super easy. If you love to songwrite, you love to record, and you want quick results that sound good, this is the video for you. And as always, if you like content like this, hit me with a like, leave a comment, and if you really like it, subscribe to the channel. Let's get it. All right, so one, I'm really excited to show y'all some of my own original music, my own beats, my own lyrics, me singing on the track. And I'm also really excited to show y'all how I mix with these plugins and make it super easy that anyone can do it. All right, let's get it.
You know you gotta tighten up, tighten up, tighten up, tighten up, yeah. You know you gotta tighten up, tighten up, tighten up, tighten up, yeah. People don't wanna be great, people just wanna be straight. Doing the same every day, making the minimum wage. Low key, that's a trap, no cap, that's a fact. I pull extra weight, cause I wanna elevate,
Woo! Alright, so we're gonna run through how I get my vocals to sound like this. Pretty much every effect you're hearing on my voice is from the LANDR's Vocal Plugin Bundle and from LANDR's studio subscription. So let's hear how the vocal sounds without the effect of LANDR's tune. Here we go.
You say you got big dreams, nothing to lose. You say you got big dreams, nothing to lose. Light work, you ain't making no moves now.
Not bad, but definitely needs some tuning up. So I'm gonna drop this LANDR tune right on the vocal. I know the key, I'm singing in C minor, so I'm gonna go ahead and dial that in right here, C minor. And I want that tuny effect, so I gotta turn my speed all the way up and my amount all the way up. And let's hear how it sounds now.
You say you got big dreams, nothing to lose. Light work, you ain't making no moves now.
Before.
You say you got big dreams, nothing to lose. Light work, you ain't making no moves now.
After.
You say you got big dreams, nothing to lose. Light work, you ain't making no moves now.
If I go to this part, before.
So what's the excuse this time? I shouldn't be falling behind.
With the tune.
So what's the excuse this time? I shouldn't be falling behind. No, no. No, no.
If you don't want that toony sound, then just dial back the amount.
So what's the excuse this time? I shouldn't be falling behind.
Okay, there's also a ton of presets, so you don't have to stick with the default setting. You've got natural, you've got cleanup, female pop, male pop, rap, fast. Just remember to set the key to what you're singing in, then you're in the game. I'm gonna stick with the default preset because I like how it sounds and keep it in minor. Let's get to verse 2. And on verse 2 is more rap. And I really want to talk about the de-esser, which is really, really, really bringing down the S's, the P's, those plosives that I don't want to hear. And also it's hitting me with a little bit of gain reduction to kind of bring the vocals right where I need them. So I'm using a preset, and I'm just using the male sh preset here, and instantly.
Look, people don't want to be great, people just want to be straight.
You can control the speed of it.
Look, people don't want to be great, people just want to be straight. Doing the same every day, making the minimum wage. Low key, that's a trap.
Threshold.
Look, people don't want to be great, people just want to be straight. Doing the same every day, making the minimum wage. Low key, that's a trap. No cap, that's a fact. I pull extra weight, cause I want to elevate. Early, never late.
Simple. Like, even if you don't know what you're doing, just apply this to the vocal, pick a preset, and you're good to go. Drop it on there, and it's gonna make a difference in the long end. Let's add some reverb and some compression in, and let's see how that sounds. I've got the LANDR reverb on a send, and the reason why is because I like to dial in my reverb to each track a certain type of way.
Look, people don't want to be great, people just want to be straight. Doing the same every day, making the minimum wage.
Right, so that's how much is being applied to the track, and let's hear how it sounds just on the vocals.
Look, people don't want to be great, people just want to be straight. Doing the same every day, making the minimum wage. Low key, that's a trap. No cap, that's a fact. I pull extra weight, cause I want to elevate.
The default preset again, and there are a ton of other ones you can use here and as well. I like the blend knob.
Look, people don't want to be great, People just wanna be straight, doing the same every day, making the minimum wage. Low key, that's a trap. No cap, that's a fact. I pull extra weight, cause I wanna elevate. Early and never late. I need bigger rate.
Sounds good to me. So let's hear it. What's the track?
I pull extra weight, cause I wanna elevate. Early and never late. I need bigger rate.
Phenomenal, man. The next plugin I'll dial in is this delay. Now, this delay isn't a part of the Vocal Bundle, but it is a part of LANDR's subscription. So if you want access to these plugins, you'll get the Vocal Bundle and you'll also get this. And I'm just using the long ping pong delay. And you can really hear that delay on the first verse.
What is life? The choices I'm making, I know it ain't doing me right. Where do I stand? Do I fall to my knees? Do I stand on my feet like a man?
Just wanted to kind of ping pong, hang around a little bit. And fourth on my list is going to be the LANDR Vocal Chain plugin. I set to default again. Really, all I'm going to do is mess around with the body, the compression, saturation. We might mess around with this ear knob as well and some of the low cut, but that's pretty much all we're going to do for now. All right, here we go. I'm turning it on now, and let's compress.
People don't want to be great. People just want to be straight. Doing the same every day, making the minimum wage. Low key, that's a trap. No cap, that's a fact. I pull extra weight, cause I wanna elevate. Early and never late. I need bigger rate. Do an extra lap. Your progress gon' slap. Ain't no holding back. Ain't no holding back. Cause it's me against me. I'ma get myself on track.
So before,
people don't wanna be great. People just wanna be straight. Doing the same every day, making the minimum wage.
after,
People don't wanna be great. People just wanna be straight. Doing the same every day, making the minimum wage.
we can hear that saturation cooking in the background. And I'm also gonna show you a little trick. I also got it on the send as well. I'm gonna add some more saturation because like my vocals a little bit hot, like not distorted, but almost there, like really pushing it. You know what I'm saying? Let's hear it back.
People don't wanna be great. People just wanna be straight. Doing the same every day, making the minimum wage. Low key, that's a trap. No cap, that's a fact. I pull extra weight, cause I wanna elevate. Early and never late. I need bigger rate.
Yeah. Let's hear it with the track now.
People don't wanna be great. People just wanna be straight. Doing the same every day, making the minimum wage. Low key, that's a trap. No cap, that's a fact. I pull extra weight, cause I wanna elevate. Early and never late. I need bigger rate. Do an extra lap. Your progress gon' slap. Ain't no holding back. Ain't no holding back. Cause it's me against me. I'ma get myself on track.
All right, so we got the vocal punching out. It reminds me of like the waves, like our Vox. It just makes it slap right in front of the mix. I really enjoy when plugins do that. The next part of the song is very like athlete, NFL, NBA, just like, you gotta hear it.
Don't you wanna be great? Don't you wanna be great? Don't you wanna be great?
All right, so I want these vocals to be like Kanye, dark, twisted fantasy, like heavy distortion. For that, I'm gonna use this voice effect here, and it's got a slew of presets. I'm gonna go down to saturation and go to the overdriven, and let's hear how it sounds now.
Don't you wanna be great? Don't you wanna be great?
Instant greatness. All right, so now this vocal, you know you gotta tighten up, tighten up. We need some, we need the same effect on that or something better. Let's open up voice again, let's do it.
You know you gotta tighten up, tighten up, tighten up, tighten up, yeah.
That might do it. That might do it.
You know you gotta tighten up, tighten up, tighten up, tighten up, yeah. Come on, man. You know you gotta tighten up, tighten up, tighten up, tighten up, yeah. Come on, man. You know you gotta tighten up, tighten up.
Each part of the song sounds loud, sounds in your face.
Great. Don't you wanna be great?
Again, these are the 4 plugins that I use. So one, we've got the vocal tune, boom, easy, ton of presets, set the key, set the scale, in the game. If you don't want that much effect, turn your effect down. If you want more, turn it up. You want to add reverb to it, you got to hear too. The second plugin we got is the vocal reverb. Sounds great. Again, you can use a preset and dial in exactly how you want. I think the default sounds great. Up to you. You've also got the vocal effects chain plugin as well. Turn the compression up a slight bit, but really focused on the saturation, a little bit of air, and cutting out some of the low end from the vocals. And the last plugin that I used was the de-esser, which is on my bus and really just helping me to get rid of all those harsh S's, P's, pops, and just get some good gain reduction and make all my vocals feel great in the mix. Really easy to do. Again, if you're someone that doesn't know how to mix, slap these on and you're in the game. The LANDR Vocal Bundle is available as a one-time purchase, or you can grab a LANDR Studio subscription, get the bundle, save 20%, and get access to over 40 plus plugins. Seems like a no-brainer. All right, y'all, that's our time. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. Again, if you like content like this, hit me with a like, leave a comment, and if you really like it, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, share this video with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.